If you want to start e-commerce, this video is for you. From which documents are required to set up your seller accounts to how to find right products to sell. We'll talk about every single thing in this video. Basically, e-commerce is any commerce that happens to the internet. It can happen through websites or through marketplaces. Every single thing that is sold online falls in either of the two buckets. If you sell things through your own website, you are in charge of every single thing. The traffic, marketing, ads, return, reviews, feedback, every single thing has to be managed by you. If people are not seeing your website, your products will not sell. This is obviously a much harder path to take, and if you're just starting out, marketplaces are definitely the better option. Marketplaces have already solved for traffic, for visibility and trust. Now let's talk about the documents that are required. Document number 1 is the GST certificate. There are a lot of service providers that will charge you 500 rupees, 700 rupees and get you a GST of a particular state. Document number 2 is a PAN card, and document number 3 is a current bank account. This is the bank account in which you will receive your payments. Now you don't need every platform in the beginning. You can start with either Amazon or Flipkart. They're much more structured. You will learn about listing, shipping, returns, every other thing about e-commerce on these platforms. Meesho can come later because generally beginners tend to lose a lot of money on Meesho because of high return rates. To set up an account, you just have to fill a form and submit two documents that I've already listed. Now, let's talk about product selection. This is the most important part of your e-commerce journey. 9 of your products can fail, but even if a single product is successful on any marketplace, you will end up earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees from that single product. You require only 1 or 2 hero product to actually make it big. Now, how do you find what to sell? It is not a guesswork. It is not about intuition. You require data. You need to look out for two things. 1, high demand products. Products that are actually selling in high quantity on these marketplaces. And 2, products with positive demand trends. That is, the demand today is greater than the demand a week ago. Now, to get this data, some sellers use very expensive tools like Helium 10, which can charge up to 20,000 rupees per month in subscription cost, and their basic plan is around 5,000 rupees per month. A very powerful tool, but again, very expensive. Or they browse through marketplaces and social media to find the trending products. Now, here is where I can actually suggest you a free website. You can go to www.bluepin.in and join their waitlist. It is a website that will give you free data on millions of trending products on the internet. It will tell you which products are actually trending on different marketplaces, what is their average selling price, what is their average rating, etc. It will be live by mid-January, so make sure to join the waitlist now. Once you've decided which product to sell, you have to find a supplier for that product. You can go to platforms such as India Mart, Trade India, India Export, where you can find suppliers and you can negotiate with them. But even here, Bluepin can help you. Bluepin gives you the contact details of multiple suppliers for each and every product that is trending on the internet. So it is a very powerful free of cost tool. Now you source the product and you have to start selling these products on the marketplace. For this, you require 3 things: images, title and description. A listing has only one job. It is to make the product easy to understand. If a customer has to think, he is not going to buy the product. Clear images, a clean title, and an SEO-rich description is the key to a high organic traffic. You'll get a lot of customers looking at your listings if your listings are good, free of cost, without spending a rupee on advertisements. If you get an order on the product, the shipping is generally taken care of by the platform. A platform either sends its own delivery boy to your address to pick up the product, or you can actually send the inventory to the warehouse of that platform. In both cases, the delivery as well as customer returns are totally managed by the platform and you don't have to take care of anything. The invoices that are required for shipment is also auto-generated. You just have to print it out and stick it on the packaging. Now, in some marketplaces such as Amazon, you also get the option of self-ship. You will choose which courier partner you want to partner with, be it ExpressBees or Shadowfax or any other third-party logistic, and you will actually be responsible for the delivery of a product as well as return management of your products. Now, how do we get the payment on marketplaces? Unlike offline shops where somebody buys a product and pays you instantly, on e-commerce, you get delayed payment. It will take 7 to 14 days depending on which marketplace you're using. Here is where you will learn a lot about cash flow and how you can manage it. That was all about e-commerce. No hacks, no mystery, All the basics have been covered in this video. You don't need to watch a single video more to start your e-commerce journey. So go right now, get your documents in and start selling on marketplaces. And if you have any question, you can just comment down. You can also email me to contact me. So check that out and subscribe to this channel for more content.